Hello and welcome to a new episode from Zyxel Support Campus. Today I want to introduce the LTE2566 mobile router to you. It's a very small compact design with a good wireless that helps you through the day staying online and interactive. Let's see what's inside the box. The device comes in an eco-friendly box that contains the router, a warranty card, the FCC declaration, the quick start guide and a USB cable to load the device. Please note that the battery is included fixed in the device and the device should be operated and stored within the conditions that are noted in the user guide. The LTE2566 helps you stay online through the day without using a mobile phone. It's a very compact design and very strong in wireless. Let's see how we install the device. We use a micro SIM card that should be inserted on the side of the device. Open the lid, push in the SIM card in the shown direction and let it click into the device. Use a pen if you require one. At this point you cannot enter a PIN code, you need to log into the device to change it. Next, push the button on the side of the device until the logo lights up in the display. The device boots up and shows the up and download speed of your provider. Now the Wi-Fi is also established and you can connect to the device using the QR codes in the display. With the three buttons under the display, you can easily browse through the menu. You can find the connection status, settings for data roaming and Wi-Fi, enter the SSID and key on a QR code, use WPS or see also device information. Log into the device using a browser and the IP address, username and password. Then you can change all settings, see status and also the configuration of the device. Here you can also enter the PIN of your SIM card. Change the wireless setting and also maintain your device in regards to firmware and security. Change the settings of the firewall, the application and the management. In the maintenance menu you can also change firmware settings, user account and time settings, power saving, backup, restore and reboot. You can download the actual firmware from the Zyxel internet page. For any question about the product, please visit our support forum under support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 600 help desk articles in different languages, as well as the contact to our support team. We are done with our episode from Zyxel Support Campus. I hope you liked the video. Leave a subscription or follow us on Facebook so that you don't miss any of our new episodes. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.